Conf Industries is a global provider of customized furniture, logistics and handling systems for healthcare sector, headquartered in Italy. Conf Industries' custom trolleys, shelves, cabinets and tables allow hospitals to move and stock laundry, pharmaceuticals, waste, food and other materials internally with the highest level of functionality, hygiene and safety. After using Tacton CPQ for several years now, we asked how Tacton's configuration solutions contributed to the success of Conf Industries.
The bottleneck that we got in the company was mostly the technical department. So at any time that we were receiving one extra configuration from the customer, we had to pass by the technical department.
The main thing that they are happy about it is that they have made less mistakes. So it didn't happen anymore that they have made a configuration, send it to the customer, and then the customer calling them, telling them, but we wanted that accessories and we got another one. So thanks to Tacton CPQ, we don't have to pass through the technical department every time, but they can directly send the order, the final order, without asking the technical department.
They can convince also the final user or the customer that if they are going to follow the configurator, they will have a better product at a faster time, at a better price, which is the goal that we were looking for. Customers can rely more in the quality and in the service, the entire service that we are giving them.
It's easier for them to convey what they are selling to the final client, because sometimes even the final client doesn't really know what he's buying. He just has some requests, but he doesn't know what he's buying. And with the visualization, they can directly give the customer what they have configured. I mean, right away and live, basically. They started to discover new configuration, new accessories that they didn't even know we were able to make. It was actually a big win for them. Nowadays,
due to Tacton CPQ integration, we reduce the bottleneck of our technical department by 80–90%. Our technical department actually is more free to make research and development. With the same people, with the same amount of people, you can do more, and you can do definitely more business. The configurator, it will make us less vulnerable about people leaving, definitely, because it's all in the system, and we can rely on the system more than what we can rely on people. Is a better way to make the product, a better way to help the customer to have whatever they want, a better way to help the sales guy to sell more, a better way to not stress the technical department. So you can easily understand the advantages so big. It's a long history of cooperation, and I can only say thanks Novo Makut to help us to develop all these things. The thing that surprised me the most is how easy it is to maintain the system, of course, and how easy it is to build the history of the company, of all of our products line, to keep track of them. It is definitely the product that we must have in the past, that we were so happy to implement, and we are so happy now to have with us, because it helped us so much to reduce the stress, mostly the stress of the company, and help us definitely to have a growing perspective for the future. I will definitely recommend Tacton product for other companies.